year ago when it started. 12 o'clock Thursday at the party. We locked eyes and knew what you wanted. I'm not weak, but I felt it stronger. Thinking how I'm gonna make my mood tonight. Thinking about what we gon' do tonight. My ex on the text tryna chill tonight, but I'm only focused on you tonight. If I want you, I got a word for it. Fighting niggas over you like a turf war. Wanna smooth with my game, so it don't mean a thing. I move across the room like a wave on my surfboard. Look into her eyes, have you seen her? A man in her look could demean her. I'm on a name Martin and Gina. I got this, hashtag Athena.
Weight of love on my shoulder. I thought that it would be easier than this. I thought my heart had grown colder. But the warmth of your kiss I can't dismiss. So my
Girl, you're something like magic. Fuck the Johnson, I don't need static. Addicted to the top, yes, I'm an addict. Tattoo on your wrist.
Semi-automatic.
Red lipstick on your lips. Nickname Taylor, how you move so swift. My eyes are mesmerized by those thighs.
What else do you like?
How you sway those hips, side to side, I like the way you move. Black shades on, girl, I'm way too cool. You got me feeling like a man on the moon. I hate when I catch feelings way too soon. Look into her eyes, have you seen her? A man in her look could demean her. I'm on a day Martin and Gina. I got this, hashtag Athena.
weight of love on my shoulder. I thought that it would be easier than this. I thought my heart had grown colder. But the warmth of your kiss I can't dismiss. So my